This is a wireless remote control car. What sets this one apart is it has a rolling steel wire cage, so that's different. It spins and jumps up to 3.9 feet, up to are the important words there. Also, it goes almost 11 miles an hour and it can climb and jump vertically. It says that its remote control distance is over 32 feet, so that's impressive. You can use it indoors or out, but before you use it, you will need 4 AA batteries that are not included, but what is included is the lithium rechargeable battery. So now let's test it out. Well, I have the Stunt Savage out of the packaging, and I'll go ahead and show you. You need to install 4 AA, those are LR3 batteries. You'll need a Phillips, that's crosshead screwdriver to install them. You screw the antenna on. Now for charging, you just open the bottom here. There's your charging cable. We'll go ahead and pull that out. And you plug it in right here. There's your on and off switch. And it's really fast to charge. I think it only took 20 minutes. And we've installed the Stunt wire also. We're ready to go.